Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the 14 toxic kitchen items you should declutter immediately. You call yourself home cooks? Some of the crap you're using is a bloody disgrace. These things are lurking in your cupboards, hiding in plain sight, and quite frankly, they're an insult to any decent chef. We're going to expose these culinary criminals and give them the boot they deserve. Listen up, because this is about more than just decluttering. It's about taking control of your kitchen, your health, and your food. We're going to show you exactly what to ditch and, more importantly, what to replace it with. Think of it as a kitchen intervention, Ramsay style, and trust me, you need it. Let's get started. Non-stick cookware might seem convenient, but that non-stick coating is riddled with chemicals that can leach into your food. Bin it. Plastic containers leach harmful chemicals, especially when heated. Get rid of them. Aluminum foil can leach into your food, especially acidic dishes. It's a one-way ticket to Flavor Town. And by Flavor Town, I mean metallic hell. Plastic cutting boards are a breeding ground for bacteria. Seriously, get them out of your kitchen. Ditch those chemical-laden cleaners. They're bad for your health and the environment. Plastic utensils are flimsy and leach chemicals. Come on, get some proper tools. Teflon is another name for disaster when it comes to your health. Ditch it. Plastic wrap is terrible for the environment and not great for your food. Get rid of it. Those pods are filling up landfills and making a terrible cup of coffee. BPA is a nasty chemical that can leach into your water, so ditch plastic water bottles. Those non-stick mats are often made with harmful chemicals. There are better options. Plastic straws are an environmental disaster waiting to happen. Use a reusable option. Chemical air fresheners are filled with toxins. Open a window or use essential oils. Non-stick frying pans are a disaster waiting to happen. Invest in a decent pan. There you have it, you donkey. 14 common kitchen items that are frankly an embarrassment. Now that you've seen the error of your ways, it's time to take action. Get rid of this toxic rubbish and upgrade your kitchen with safer, healthier alternatives. Remember, your kitchen should be a place of joy, creativity, and delicious food, not a breeding ground for harmful chemicals. By making these simple swaps, you'll not only improve the quality of your food, but you'll also create a healthier and more sustainable kitchen. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on creating a healthier kitchen. See you next time.